Hi, Joel Aldrich, speaking for the more than 7,000 Chevrolet dealers all over America. You know, the main talk this time of the year always centers around the start of another season of America's favorite game. Yes, baseball's the game. And here's one team that knows how to travel in big league style. In Chevrolet's big, handsome Bel Air Beauville station wagon. This Chevy wagon is baseball team big, all right. So long, so wide, it can easily carry a pack of kids. Yes, it carries 9 passengers with ease. And yet, with all this roominess, every bit of the dash and sparkle that's distinctively Chevrolet is right there. But that's just one of Chevrolet's 9 passenger station wagons for 56. The other one is the magnificent 210 Beauville. This beauty can practically fill the bleachers in one trip. Big and brawny, this Chevy Beauville also has 3 wide, comfortable seats. And each seat can hold 3 people. Or you can fold down the center seat, lift out the rear seat, for giant-sized hauling room. Now, just take a look. With the end gate down, Chevy station wagons give you nearly 9 feet of cargo space that's suitable for almost any kind of hauling. Of course, this handsome, hard-working 210 Beauville is only one in Chevrolet's fleet of 6 station wagons. And here they are, the 150 Handyman, Chevy's lowest-priced wagon, the 210 Handyman, a smart-looking 2-door model, the 210 Townsman, 4 doors and 6 passengers big, and next Chevy's 9 passenger station wagons, the 210 Beauville and the Bel Air Beauville. Finally, the most glamorous of them all, the Chevrolet Nomad. Yes, if you're a station wagon fan, Chevy has just the wagon for you. Low-priced, but big league in looks, with big league power and big league performance. This year, whether you're going to the ball game, whether you're going cross-town or cross-country, go in style in America's favorite car, Chevrolet.